3 Lima Delta 4 Pierce, Scotty, sound frequency.
I've got a serious situation here. My pilot I have no idea how to fly the airplane. But
Roger, what's your position?
I have no idea. I see the coast of Florida in front of me, and I have no idea.
What was the situation with the pilot?
He is incoherent. He is out. I have no idea how to stop the airplane. I don't know how to do it.
Do you know how to operate the transponder? Can you squawk 7700?
Stand by with the team. I'm looking for it.
Hold the wings level and see if you can start descending. Push forward on the controls and descend at a very slow rate.
You guys located me out? I can't even get my nav screen to turn on.
Is the pilot unconscious?
Turn left, you're landing behind Flagman.
Delta 4 Pierce, Scotty, sound frequency. Number 333 Lima Delta 4 Pierce Tower, howdy here. Number 333 Lima Delta 4 Pierce Tower.